Hello, fellow travelers, welcome! Are you dreaming of Times Square with its dazzling lights and non-stop energy? Imagine yourself standing there, soaking it all in. Or perhaps the majestic Grand Canyon calls to you, with its breathtaking views and the sheer scale of nature's artistry. Picture witnessing a sunrise paint the canyon walls with vibrant colors. Or maybe you're envisioning a business trip to Silicon Valley, the heart of innovation, where groundbreaking ideas are born every day. The United States is a land of incredible diversity, a melting pot of cultures, landscapes, and experiences waiting to be discovered. It's a land of opportunity, where dreams can take flight and anything is possible. Every city has its own unique heartbeat, a rhythm that pulses through its streets and defines its character. From the jazz clubs of New Orleans to the tech hubs of Seattle, each city offers a distinct flavor, and every road trip feels like a movie, a chance to explore hidden gems and create unforgettable memories. Imagine cruising down Route 66, the wind in your hair, with endless possibilities ahead. This guide is your companion, your trusted friend, ready to help you navigate the exciting journey ahead. It's here to demystify one crucial step, securing your B1/B2 visa, the key that unlocks the door to your American adventure. The visa process can seem daunting, a maze of paperwork and regulations that might feel overwhelming at first glance. But think of it as the first part of your adventure, a challenge to embrace with a positive mindset. It's a rite of passage that unlocks a decade of American experiences, 10 years of opportunities, discoveries, and memories waiting to be made. We'll break it down step by step, guiding you through each stage with clear and concise instructions. We're making it clear and manageable so you can approach the process with confidence and ease. Whether your purpose is business, to forge new partnerships and explore opportunities, pleasure, to explore iconic landmarks and create lasting memories, or both, combining work with leisure to make the most of your time, this visa is your golden ticket, your passport to a world of possibilities. Your American story starts here, with this first step towards realizing your dreams. Let's begin this journey together. We're here to guide you every step of the way. So what is the B1/B2 visa? It's your multi-purpose key to the United States for temporary visits. The B1 is for business, attending conferences, meetings, or negotiations. The B2 is for tourism, visiting family, or medical treatment. The combined B1/B2 visa lets you mix business and pleasure in one trip or on separate visits. It's mainly for citizens of countries not in the visa waiver program, or for those needing longer stays. The most important requirement: proving you'll return home. Show strong ties, like a job, property, or family. Financial, social, and professional connections all help. The US wants to know your visit is temporary. Use the B1/B2 visa responsibly and it opens doors to amazing experiences. Let's get organized. Preparing for your US visa interview requires meticulous attention to detail, and that starts with gathering all the necessary documents. Think of it as building a strong foundation for your application. The more organized you are, the smoother the process will be. The DS-160 online form is your application's foundation. This comprehensive form collects your personal information, travel history, and the purpose of your visit. Accuracy is key here. Double-check every field before submitting, as inconsistencies can raise red flags. Once you've meticulously filled it out, print the confirmation page. This page is crucial. It contains a barcode that links directly to your application in the system. Keep it safe and bring it with you to the interview. Your passport must be valid at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in the United States. This is a standard requirement to ensure you have ample time to depart, even in unforeseen circumstances. Check the expiration date carefully. Bring old passports with previous US visas if you have them. These visas serve as evidence of your past compliance with US immigration laws and can strengthen your current application. Even expired visas can be helpful. You'll need a recent professional photo. Avoid using snapshots or photos taken with your phone. A professional photographer will know the specific requirements for US visa photos. The photo needs to adhere to strict US guidelines regarding size, background, and facial expression. Make sure the photographer is aware of these requirements to avoid any issues. You'll need to upload it digitally as part of the DS-160 form, and also bring a physical copy to your interview. Having both ensures you're prepared for any request. Pay the non-refundable visa fee, and keep the receipt. This fee is a mandatory part of the application process, and the receipt serves as proof of payment. Without it, your interview cannot proceed. Print your interview appointment confirmation. This document confirms the date, time, and location of your interview. Arriving without it can cause delays or even prevent you from entering the embassy or consulate. Gather proof of financial stability. This is crucial to demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to cover your expenses during your stay in the US, and that you are not likely to overstay your visa. Provide recent bank statements showing your account balance and transaction history. The more comprehensive the documentation, the better. Include payslips, especially if you are currently employed. These demonstrate a steady income stream, or if you're self-employed, provide tax returns. These offer a comprehensive overview of your financial situation over a longer period. For business trips, bring a letter from your employer, confirming your position, salary, and the purpose of your trip. Also include any U.S. correspondence related to your business trip, such as invitations or meeting schedules. For tourism, an itinerary helps the consular officer understand your travel plans and intentions. Prove your ties to your home country. This is perhaps the most important aspect of your application. You need to convince the consular officer that you have strong reasons to return after your visit. An employment letter is a great start, confirming your current job and future prospects. Property documents such as deeds or mortgage statements demonstrate significant assets in your home country. Or family certificates such as marriage or birth certificates of dependents highlight your family responsibilities. Think like a lawyer when preparing your documents. Anticipate potential questions and gather evidence to support your claims. Strong evidence makes a strong case. The more compelling your documentation, the higher your chances of a successful visa application. Being prepared is your best strategy. By meticulously gathering all the required documents and presenting them in an organized manner, you demonstrate your seriousness and increase your likelihood of a positive outcome. Ready to embark on your visa application journey? It might seem daunting, but with careful preparation, you can navigate the process smoothly. Your first step is to begin online at the Consular Electronic Application Center. This is where you'll access the DS-160 form, the core of your application. This brings us to the DS-160 form. Be accurate and honest. Every detail matters, so take your time and double-check all the information you provide. Inconsistencies or inaccuracies can lead to delays or even rejection. Remember, honesty is the best policy. Once you've completed the DS-160 form, it's time to pay the visa application (MRV) fee. This fee is a mandatory part of the application process. Payment procedures can vary, so check your local embassy's website for details. They will provide specific instructions on accepted payment methods and any additional requirements. After making your payment, remember to keep your payment receipt. It's needed to book your appointments. This receipt serves as proof of payment and is essential for scheduling both your biometrics appointment and your visa interview. Now it's time to schedule 2 appointments. One, at a visa application center for biometrics. This involves providing your fingerprints and a photograph. The second appointment is at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate for your interview. This is your opportunity to answer questions about your application and demonstrate your eligibility for a visa. Use the online portal to pick dates and times. Carefully consider your schedule and choose slots that allow you ample time to prepare. Given potential waiting times, apply early to avoid delays. Starting the process well in advance of your intended travel dates will give you peace of mind. Once your appointments are scheduled, print your appointment confirmation letter. This letter is required for entry to both the Visa Application Center and the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Also, print your DS-160 confirmation page. This page contains a barcode that links to your application in the system. With all your paperwork in hand, gather your documents. This includes your passport, supporting documents, and any other items required by the embassy. Before your appointments, double-check all details and keep everything in a dedicated folder. This will save you time and stress on the day of your appointments. Being organized makes a great impression. It shows that you are serious about your application and have taken the time to prepare thoroughly. You finished the paperwork, congratulations. Now, get ready for the interview. This is a crucial step in the visa application process. Preparation is key. Research common interview questions and practice your answers. With all your preparations complete, let's move on to the big day. You've got this. Interview day is here. It's simply a conversation designed to verify your information. Arrive about 15-30 minutes early and then pass through security. And remember to leave electronics behind. The staff will check all of your documents, then you'll wait patiently for your turn. Greet the consular officer politely and respectfully. They'll also take your fingerprints. Answer all questions clearly and honestly. only answer what's asked. Expect some questions about your trip, your job and finances, as well as ties to your home country. For business trips, be ready to discuss your conference or meetings, and for tourism, your specific travel plans. Keep all documents handy, but only present them if requested by the officer. The interview is usually brief, so stay calm and confident throughout. You're almost there, good luck. Let's make your application shine and avoid common mistakes. Be absolutely honest. Never provide false information or documents. Prepare and organize your documents so you can find anything quickly. Practice answering questions confidently and concisely. Avoid rambling, give direct, clear answers, dress smartly. Business casual is best. Your attitude matters. Be polite, positive, and make eye contact. Demonstrate strong ties to your home country. Explain your job, responsibilities, and family commitments. Don't assume the officer knows your situation. Spell it out. Most denials happen because ties aren't clear. Show you have reasons to return home. Preparation and honesty are your best allies. The interview's done. What's next? If approved, your passport stays for visa stamping. You'll get instructions for pickup or delivery. If more review is needed, you'll be told. Check your status online with your DS-160 barcode. Once issued, check your visa for errors as soon as you get your passport. If there's a mistake, contact the embassy immediately. With your visa in hand, you can book flights and plan your trip.